Welcome to this installment in the XSitePro tutorial series. As your users surf through your sites, it's generally a good idea to give them as much navigational help as possible. Particularly with a site that makes heavy use of nested categories and subcategories, you'll want to provide them with an easy way to get back to previous levels. Breadcrumb trails are an easy way of accomplishing this. To get started, just open one of your sites. Head over to the Other tab and choose Breadcrumb Trail. First, you'll have to choose where your breadcrumb trail will go. You've got three choices: on the main panel header, main panel footer, or the info bar. Keep in mind that in order to use any of these, you'll first have to enable it on the Page Layout tab. Just pick a location that's accessible as well as compatible with your chosen template. Notice how any changes I make are reflected here in the preview. Next, we have to choose what gets used as our link text. You can either use page titles or menu text. We'll just use page titles, which is the default option. Now you can choose a separator symbol. I think I'll stick with the standard greater than symbol. Note that I can stick a piece of text in front of the trail if I wish. For example, "You are here." Next, you can pick a font. It's helpful to pick one that ties in with the fonts used throughout the rest of your site. And choose the size, as well as whether you want your links bolded and or underlined. Now, let's look at the colors. You specify colors for normal and visited links, as well as a special hover color and a color for non-link text that we entered over here. Black for the hover color is awfully drab. Let's give the user a little more visual feedback when they've moused over the link. Finally, here in the Other section, you specify the breadcrumb trail's alignment. Watch as I center mine. You can also choose whether you want the last breadcrumb, i.e. the current page, hyperlinked, and whether you want the breadcrumb trail shown on the home page. I'm going to disable this, since there's no real hierarchy to speak of on the home page. And that's it. No matter how many levels deep in the site I wander, the breadcrumb trail can bring me back to any previous level. With the help of breadcrumb trails, your visitors will never lose their place within your site again.